Women in Chitungiza continue to be subjected to physical abuse due to water shortages, which has become a driver for poverty and domestic violence. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Speaking on the sidelines of the World Water Day commemorations held under the theme Leveraging on Water for Peace, Women for Water movement leader Caroline Mutimbanyoka called for action to address causes of water insecurity and inequity. Women are being abused in their homes because they are unable to execute their duties as they spend long hours at water points in search of water, Mutimbanyoka said. Standing in solidarity with women and girls worldwide who bear the heavy burden of water scarcity and unequal access to this fundamental resource, Women for Water recognizes that it is women and girls who disproportionately suffer the consequences of water shortages, she said. She said their inability to access clean water did not only jeopardize women's health, but also perpetuated cycles of poverty and inequality, adding that women were being abused at water points. We are going to engage with the council to try and find out who is in charge at the water points, as women are facing harassment, and see where the problem is emanating from to safeguard the security of women. This is today's news about water crisis fueling gender-based violence. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.